sa lockdown last night, nobody can go out and come in of Davao City. So in-adjust na namin yan ngayon. We are doing a hold and secure, increased security measures inside Davao City and going into Davao City, considering that there are incidents happening outside of Davao City. So what we are doing now is preventing the violence from coming in to Davao City and preventing violence from erupting inside the city. Specific information of any attack, wala. But of course, hindi naman malayo na kung gusto nila mag-divert ng attention from what is happening in Marawi, they would want to do it here in Davao City. Kasi number one, nandito nakatira ang president, and number two is Davao City is the rallying point of Mindanao. So kung gusto mong gumawa ng statement, Davao City yun. So yan yung isa sa mga points din na ginagawaan namin ng mga action. The possibility of a diversion or the possibility of a retaliation inside Davao City. Meron tayong identified individuals inside Davao City, but they are under the control of our law enforcement authorities. Wala sila sa labas, hindi sila nakakalabas, hindi sila nakaka-roam around the city. What we are trying to do is protect them and protect the Davaoenos in case na merong issues with regard to their presence in Davao City. I cannot deny na meron kasi maraming nakakaalam na nandito sila. So, but there is no need to worry for the Davaoenos kasi under control sila ng law enforcement authorities natin. Yes, ma'am, they are Maute members. Maute group.